All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
As a result of clashes between the forces of the Islamic Emirate and the Pakistani military, 2 people, including a woman, have been killed and 11 others injured. Local residents reported that since Wednesday evening of last week, intermittent clashes between the Islamic Emirate forces and the Pakistani military have been ongoing in the Jajai Maidan district of Khost province. Thameen Khan, a resident of Jajai Maidan district, said a large number of families along the Durand line have migrated to nearby areas. We have 2 martyrs, including 1 woman, and about 11 injured. Mohibullah, another resident, told TOL News, bullets have struck near homes, and it is unclear what will happen next. This situation has caused problems for the people, and they have migrated. Meanwhile, on Saturday night, the deputy governor of Khost, during his visit to the Jajai Maidan district, told the residents and the forces stationed along the Durand line to respond appropriately to any attacks. At the same time, the Deputy Minister of Borders and Tribal Affairs in Kabul said that this issue was resolved last night. Mohammad Ismail Ghaznavi, Deputy Minister of Borders and Tribal Affairs, said, the incident that took place in the Jajai Maidan district of Khost was resolved last night at 10:30 p.m. Although officials have not provided new details regarding the clashes and casualties in the Jajai Maidan district of Khost, the Ministry of Defense has said that while building a security outpost by the Islamic Emirate forces, Pakistani soldiers opened fire, prompting a similar response from the Islamic Emirate forces, leading to a confrontation. The Ministry of Defense said that a clash between Islamic Emirate forces and Pakistani border guards on Wednesday evening in the Jajai Maidan district of Khost ended after an hour. In a statement, Inayatullah Khwarajmi, the spokesperson for the Ministry of Defense, said, while our Mujahideen were constructing the outposts, the Pakistani side opened fire, and our forces responded. As a result, a clash occurred, and after an hour of exchanging fire, the fighting ceased. Mohammad Sadiq Shinwari, a military affairs expert, stressed that the cause of these clashes should be investigated. He added, the armed confrontations that have previously occurred on the borders between Pakistan and Afghanistan or the one that began last night should be thoroughly investigated by an impartial commission to determine the cause and motivation. Meanwhile, residents of Khost considered the clashes along the disputed border between Afghanistan and Pakistan detrimental to both countries and called for resolving such issues through diplomatic means. Jannat Gul, a resident of Khost, told TOL News, our request to the Islamic Emirate and the government of Pakistan is to resolve these problems through dialogue and put an end to them. Shaheen, another resident of Khost, said that, occasionally, clashes occur in different areas of the country. The people's demand from both sides is that these issues should be resolved through negotiation, as war is not the solution. Pakistani media make the agenda to hide this news. Dawn sources said the Afghan side attacked a Pakistani checkpost with heavy weapons in the Palosin area on the Pak-Afghan border on Saturday morning. We have reports about heavy losses on the other, Afghan, side. So far, 8 Afghan Taliban have been killed and 16 others have sustained injuries in retaliatory firing by the Pakistani forces, Dawn sources said, adding 2 key commanders, Khalil and Jan Muhammad, were also killed. There was no official word from the Inter-Services Public Relations, ISPR, on this incident until going to press. This is not the first time Afghan troops have opened fire on Pakistani security forces posted at the border, sources said, adding that in the past Pakistan had shared its concerns with Kabul over such incidents. They claimed that the Afghan Taliban, apart from facilitating militant activities inside Pakistan, were now openly attacking the forces along the international border. Due to the tense security situation, trade between the 2 countries remained suspended over the weekend. A Dawn correspondent said there was intermittent firing on the border on Sunday as well, but no casualties were reported. In May this year, The Foreign Office conveyed its concerns to Kabul after a large number of locals were displaced in Karachi and sought shelter in safer places in the wake of clashes between Pakistan and Afghanistan. At the time, tribal elders from Kurram and the Afghan side played a role in diffusing the tensions. However, clashes on the border had prompted large-scale displacement from villages and settlements near the Karachi border crossing. Meanwhile, an FC official was martyred and 3 personnel sustained injuries in an attack carried out in the Marghan area of the central Kurram on Sunday. Police sources said militants attacked an FC checkpost of the Tall Scouts and managed to escape after the ambush. The dead body and injured personnel had been shifted to the hospital.